Good morning, children. All of you, please take out your conversation book and open your book to page number 10. Today we will study lesson 4, that is book hours, library time. What is this book hours, children? Book hours means किताबों का समय, and library time means, children, library is a place where several books are kept together. We can go in the library and we can read any book we want. So library is a place where many books are kept and you can read any book you want. And book hours means, children, what? That this is the time to spend time on the book. So it is telling about the book hours. Okay. Now, children, something are there which you have to learn. What you have to learn? What is diary, children? What is diary? You all have a diary, children. Then what do you all do in that diary? You write the daily records. You write the daily homework, CW, HW, your absent, if your teacher has written any remarks. So diary is the record maintained. Okay, diary is the record which is maintained. Secondly, children, dictionary. What is dictionary, children? A dictionary is a book where several words are given with their word meanings. A dictionary is a book where several words are given with their word meanings. Okay? When you don't know, if suppose you have asked meaning of any word, then what your elders tell, go and search in the dictionary. जाके dictionary में खोज लो इसका meaning. So that means that dictionary is a book where several words are given with their word meanings. Okay, children? Now comes atlas. I know, children, you don't know, most of you haven't seen the atlas. What is atlas, children? Atlas is a book where there is a collection of maps. So many maps are drawn there. So many maps are drawn. Physical map, this physical map, political map. There are maps of several countries. There are maps of several states. So where several maps you find, it will be called atlas. Okay, children? Now what is the album? Meaning of album, children? I know most of you know the meaning of album, where many photographs, where many pictures are kept together. Have you seen the album of your parents, children? अपने मम्मी पापा की शादी का एल्बम आप लोग देखे हैं? तो that particular thing is called album. Okay, children? Now, children, come, we will study about books. There are several books, children. 1 to 10 books name are given here. That is Famous 5, Panchtantra, Harry Potter, Alice in Wonderland, Adventures of Tom Sawyer, Around the World in 80 Days, The Jungle Book, Gulliver's Travel, Black Beauty, Secret 7. These are the children books name given in your book, and you have to say about the author. Who is the author of the particular book? कौन इस पर्टिकुलर बुक को लिखा है, इसके ऑथर का नाम आप लोगों को बताना है. तो चिल्ड्रन, who wrote the famous book Famous 5? Who wrote? Annette Beltane. Annette Beltane wrote the famous book, that is the Famous 5. So children, this you have to learn the author's name. Learn the author's name of famous 5. Learn who is the author of Panchtantra. Vishnu Sharma. Vishnu Sharma is the author of Panchtantra. Who is the author of Harry Potter? J.K. Rowling is the author of Harry Potter. So children, all the authors' name with their book you have to learn here. Got it? Author of Alice in Wonderland, Lewis Carroll. Author of Adventures of Tom Sawyer, Mark Twain. Author of Around the World in 80 Days, Julius Verne. Author of The Jungle Book, Rudyard Kipling. Author of Gulliver's Travel, Jonathan Swift. Author of Black Beauty, Anna Wells. Author of Secret 7, Enid Blyton. Now children, all these authors' name you have to write, and in your assignment work I will give you to paste the pictures of 5 authors with their books. Okay children, so please do it. Have a good day now. Bye bye.